Hi, today I will make chicken curry.
Chicken curry? This one?
Chicken curry.
Okay. And what do you need to make chicken curry?
Onion.
This one?
Oil.
Yeah.
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Lemon.
And then?
And jahe.
Ginger.
Ginger.
Yeah. What else?
What is this?
Which one?
This one.
Can
the
you-
small.
The small? Can you take one? Can
Mommy,
you
this
take
is
some?
the small one. This is the big one.
Oh yeah. Which one
This
do you
is
want
the
to
small
explain?
one. This is the big
The
one.
small one is, can you take some? The small one with your hand?
I will take
Mm-hmm.
3.
3, okay.
1,
Okay. Come on.
2, 3.
Yes.
Look, guys. Yeah.
Okay, what is
One
that?
is full.
One is full. Okay. That
You cannot go in.
they are coriander. Can you say it?
This coriander.
Coriander. Okay, can you show
You want to see?
to your friend? Yeah.
You want
Coriander.
to see
Okay.
this?
Which one?
Ah,
Okay,
some-
yeah,
one
coriander.
more. You want to see? You can this.
Okay. Yeah, this is they are coriander. Okay,
This is-
and
This is all the coriander. Ah, one is fall in here.
it's okay. Okay, can you explain? Can you explain another? Okay. What else? The big one. That, yeah, you can take and show. Which one,
This is
ginger?
small ginger.
Which
This
one?
is small ginger.
No, that's coriander.
Ginger. You can see this
Mm-hmm.
because it's big. So
And what is
if
this?
this fall,
Mm-hmm.
this is not will gone because this is big.
Okay.
But if big fall go into there,
Mm-hmm.
someone is dead there.
Mm-hmm.
Someone is dead. Who? Lele.
Oh, lele. Okay. And what are
You can
they?
see
They
Can
are
you see the ginger?
candle nuts.
Candle nuts.
Yes.
Where's
that's
the
candle
ginger?
nut. Ginger is this one.
This?
Can you take ginger? Yes.
The ginger.
Yeah. Okay. And the biggest one. Can you take the biggest one? The biggest one? Which one? The biggest one. That one. Yeah. What is that?
This is
Galangal.
Galangal.
Yeah, galangal. And what else? And the big leaf. What is the name of the big leaf? Rudolph, the big leaf. Can you show me the big? Yeah, that one. What is the name of the
Do you
leaf?
want to smell it? If smell good.
Yeah. Smell good?
Smell it. Smell it.
Yeah. And what the name of the leaf? Bay.
T-Max.
No. Bay leaf.
Bay leaf.
Okay, that's bay leaf. And can you show me?
There's the small one.
Yeah, what is the small one? What the name of the leaf?
Same.
No.
So
that
this is a small boat. This is a small boat. This is a big boat. So this is one. These people want to go to the water, ocean, and somebody get the small boat.
Okay, the small leaf is lime leaf.
Lime leaf.
Okay. Okay.
It's like an orange.
Yeah, that's lime. Okay, can you show us again the
Lime.
curry? No, chicken curry. You're drawing chicken curry. Okay, so this is the chicken curry, and here are the spices for the chicken curry. Okay, thank you, Rudolph.
Bye. Ah.